as promised, I said I was going to show you how to do a wire wrapped bracelet. Here is what we're going to make. Okay, actually very pretty. And I'm going to show you what you need to make this wire bracelet. You need, oh, I don't know if that's a glare. Oh geez, is that a glare? Sorry. Wire, I believe it's 20 gauge. You need a scissor. You need a bead of your choice. I have these pretty beads. You want something that is fairly flat, okay? And something to wrap the wire around in. This is a candle. It's 2.5 inches in width. And a wire cutter. Okay, so I pre-cut my wire. This is about 2.5 of my wingspan, which is tip to tip your finger, spreading it out as wide as you can. So it's about 2.5. It's called wingspans, okay? You're going to take your wire and you're going to leave about, I would say, maybe 24 inches. Yeah, about 24 inches at the end. You're going to take your whatever you're going to use. I'm saying I've been making these bracelets and this is the width I use. I think it's just a, you know, a regular size. It's not too small and it's not too big. I have a normal size wrist. It's not skinny, it's not thicker. Okay, so this is 2.5. So you're going to take your wire. You're going to leave about 24 inches. And this could be a little tricky, okay? You're going to take your wire and you're going to wrap it around. Sorry, I might get out of the frame. Hold on. Okay, and you're going to wrap it around about 3 times. Nice and tight. 1, 2, and 3. You might hear my dogs in the background barking throughout this video because the groundhogs just came out and they're going crazy when they see them. Okay, once you have it, I wrapped it actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times around. Okay, you're going to hold it real tight and you're going to pinch it off and try to hold everything together. Put this out of the way, okay? So it looks like this. Now take that wire that you had, the 24-inch wire, okay? And you're going to take it and you're going to wrap it around once and twice. Okay? And it should look like that. Okay. 3 beads. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, with the first bead, you're going to put it on that wire that was 24 inches, like so. Push it on until you get close to the bottom of where you wrapped, like this. Okay, here you're going to bend and leave a little bit of space right there. See it? And with the other hand, you're going to do the same. It looks like that. Now, holding the wires tight and using that wire that was 24 inches, you're going to wrap once and twice around. Okay. So it should look like this. Okay. You're also going to take the same wire and you're going to start wrapping around the base of the bead. I'd say about 4 or 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to say a little bit more. 5. I'm going to say 6 times. Okay, so it looks like this. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is your own creation. It doesn't have to look like a machine made it. Okay, so now you're back here. You're going to start wrapping around 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 times around, okay? Now taking this wire, again, you're going to go across the bottom of the bead, like so. And you're going to now wrap on the opposite side 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So your bracelet right now should look like this. Okay. Okay, now with that excess, you're just going to cut it off. And with a pliers, I'm going to flatten that down. Okay, so now that you did your first bead, you're going to do your second bead. Now you want to place it, we're going to make 3. So you want to kind of place it, you know, where you think the second one should go, then the third one should go. Okay, so I'm thinking my placement should be right here. Oh, here goes my dog. Okay, so what we do is we're going to wrap 1, 2 times around. And then I'm going to get my bead. I'm going to squeeze these together. Okay, I'm going to get my bead. I'm going to put it right on. All the way down. Get to the bottom. Leave a little bit of space. Okay, got that much space. Bend it over. Do the same on the other side. Bend it over. Okay, we're going to wrap 1, 2 times around. Okay, like so. Now we're going to wrap the base of the bead. So I'm going to go probably 6 or 7 times around because I have a lot of extra wire. And it doesn't really matter. It does not have to be perfect. I just don't want to waste all this wire. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's good. Okay, so you get to this side, now you're going to wrap 5 times around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, go under the bead with the wire to the other side. Okay, so we did this one side. We're going underneath the bead to the opposite side, to the other side, and we're going to wrap again 5 times. 1, 2, 3. Once the wire gets shorter, it's easier to work with. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Last and final bead, we're going to bring the wire over to a spot where you think the bead should be, and I'm thinking it should be about here. And we're going to start wrapping. 1, 2. Okay, last bead. String on. Through. Do the same thing. Leave a little bit of space. Opposite side, do the same thing. A little bit of space. Wrap a couple of times, 1 and 2 times, good. Then we're going to go around the bottom of the bead. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Okay, now we're going to wrap on the side 5 times and the other side. 3, 4, and 5. Underneath the bead again. Okay, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once we're done, we'll cut it nice and close. I'm going to get my flatten down so it doesn't scratch. And here's the other one. Flatten that down nice, close to the bracelet. And sometimes you can squeeze so it comes together nicely. See, there's a lump there. You squeeze it, and it all works out. Okay, and there is your bangle bracelet. Okay, here we go. Okay, now I had some wire left over, and I'm going to make earrings with it. So I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, and I'm going to take my are these called needle nose pliers, I think? I don't know. And I'm going to make a little loop. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to just turn it so it makes like a little swirl at the bottom. Like so. Okay. Now on this strand, there were little white, I guess these are called seed beads. I'm going to place one on the bottom. Okay. I'm going to place a bead. And then I'm going to place another seed bead. Okay. Looks like this. It's a terrible glare, I'm sorry. I don't need all this excess, so I'm going to cut this out here. Okay. Now to make the veil. I take my, I don't know if these are called needle nose pliers. I don't know what they're called. Bend forward, okay. Then bend back and make a loop, like so. Now start wrapping around and wrap and wrap and wrap. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not even in the camera. And wrap around. And tuck in that last little piece. And here's part of an earring. Okay, then you do the same on the other side. Using extra wire, you can make a pair of earrings to go with your bracelet. Good luck, guys. I hope this helped. I'm sorry that the angle wasn't the greatest. Everybody have a wonderful Thursday, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.